Class 9 Springfielders. In the previous session, we have completed Lesson 6 Agriculture in India. Today we start with Lesson 7 Industry in India. The topics are 1. Basic necessity for setting up factories. 2. Industrial location. 3. Agro-based industries. 4. Mineral-based industries. 5. Information technology and electronic industries. 6. Part 2. Government and industrial development. First we start with basic necessity for setting up factories. What is the most important thing required for setting up factories? Industries are an essential part of a nation's development. Before we see what are the basic necessities for setting up factories, let us see difference between factory and industry. Factory and industries. Factory 1. A process of manufacturing, whether at home or in a small shed, is called factory. Example: Coca-Cola factory. Industry 1. An industry is a group of manufacturers or business that produce a particular kind of goods and services. Example: iron and steel industries. Basic necessities for setting up factories. The most important thing necessary for setting up factories, or essential things necessary for setting up factories. The most important thing is 1. Machines. A machine is a thing that created by people to make work easier. To run a machine, all factories require a source of power, which is usually electricity. Hence, factories require machines and electricity to run them. The second important basic necessity for setting up factories are raw material. We cannot think of running an industry or a factory without raw material. All factories need raw material from which goods can be produced. Minerals and ores form the basic source from which various raw materials required by factories are produced. For example, steel is required to produce cycles. Third important basic necessity for setting up factories: transportation. Transportation is needed to bring raw material to factories and transfer finished goods from them. Trucks, railways, and ships are the various means of transport. Essential facilities such as a system of roads which are in a good condition and which link a large number of towns and villages in the country. Ports, which can accommodate a large number of ships for loading and unloading. Hence, for industrialization or development, a large number of different factories, there is need for certain basic requirements like machines, electricity, minerals and ores, and transport facilities. Difference between capital goods and basic goods, or capital good industry and basic good industry. Capital industry 1. Capital good industry refers to production used in the production of other products. Example: building machinery, equipments, vehicles and tools. Basic industries. Basic good industries produce goods used by other industries as raw material. Example: iron and steel industry, chemical industry, etc. After the basic necessity for an industry to be located, the second important factor is that industrial location, where an industry is located, plays a very important role in industrialization. Industrial locations are complex in nature. These are influenced by availability of raw material, labor, capital, power and market, etc. It is rarely possible to find all these factors available at one place. Therefore, manufacturing activity tends to be located at the most appropriate place where all the factors of industrial location are either available or can be arranged at lower cost. Cities provide market as well as service such as banking, insurance, transport, labor, consultant and financial advice, etc. to the industry. From the point of overseas trade, most manufacturing units are located in such as Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. Certain pockets of industrial development, urban centers are surrounded by a huge agricultural rural hinterland. Let us recap what we have learned today. We have learned difference between factories and industries, basic requirements for industries, difference between capital good industry and basic good industry. We have also gained knowledge about industrial location. Meet you in the next session with a new topic, type of industries. Thank you. Have a nice day.